Find features that distinguish it from other brands for Facmogu S5000 FM radio receiver, 2025 upgraded. And why you should buy choose. Next, we are introduce some reasons why. Because, it consists of the following features. Professional FM radio receiver. Facmogu S5000 FM radio receiver adopts professional SI4730 radio chip for better reception, higher signal sensitivity and better resistance to electrical interference. Also comes with 33 feet long cable and retractable antenna up to 3.3 feet, you can position the antenna windowsill or rooftop, magnetic base helps you fix the antenna position. You can enjoy clear stereo signal reception and explore various radio stations and enjoy your favorite programmers on different channels anytime, anywhere. Our mini FM radio receivers feature a total of 3 sets of frequencies that support worldwide use, covering the standard FM radio bands of 64 to 108 MHz, 76 to 108 MHz and 87 to 108 MHz, ensuring that a wide range of stations. 2-in-1 professional radio receiver and amplifier. More than just a professional radio, it's also a power amplifier. Powered by dual US-made LM1875 amplifier chips, it effortlessly drives 4 to 8 ohms bookshelf speakers. With Bluetooth 5.0, easily switch between FM radio and wireless/auxiliary audio mode to stream music from your device, great for news, music, and entertainment. Professional FM radio receiver with 2 rotary knob and 1 button which is very easy to use. Short press the top knob to switch 5 modes, long press to manually tune frequency, FM flashes, and short press ATS to save station. Long press ATS for auto scan. Linear power supply for audio files. Comes with a premium 18V linear power supply specifically engineered for noise-free audio performance. It will feed your system's circuits with ultra-quiet, clean power at the input. If you want to get full highlight features and/or full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. Thanks for watching. We hope this video satisfied for you and make sure to press that like button and share this video with your friends. And important, don't forget to press subscribe to get instant notifications of all future uploads.